I've got something so exciting for you all! Guess what? Ta-da! Today we'll be opening this brand new set of our Disney Animators collection with these tiny mini little dolls of our Disney princesses. Let's have a look at the box now. I've been waiting for this set for so long and I can't wait to open this one now.
Merida, Snow White, Belle, Aurora, Anna, Mulan, even Moana. Let's open the box.
Wow! We just have to take them out of the box now, one by one. Yay! Super excited about this one.
Let me take Snow White out of the box and I'm gonna give her a nice pleated dress. It can be quite difficult to remove the tags to take her out of the box, so be extra careful. And her little squirrel. A cute little shining squirrel. Our cute little Snow White. She's looking so cute. Snow White will be having a new Play-Doh dress today, along with her two friends. Time to take Moana out of the box now. Moana came with a little turtle. This little Animators Moana doll looks so cute. I love her. Cute little Moana. Oh, she even got a flower on her hair. Our next doll to be wearing a Play-Doh dress today is Princess Rapunzel. She came all together with Pascal. Our tiny little Rapunzel is looking so cute. It's time to give them some nice dresses now. Let's start with Rapunzel. Our cute little baby Rapunzel gonna have a purple dress today. Let's get started. Some beautiful designs on her skirt. Time to place it on her. Her little pink top. Our cute little Rapunzel is almost ready. She just needs some designs on her dress. Presenting you our beautiful Rapunzel in her lovely dress. She's looking so cute. Do you like her, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. It's our cute little Snow White's turn now. Snow White is having a red and yellow skirt. Her blue top. Baby Snow White is almost ready. She just needs her little red bow and some shining diamonds. Presenting you our cute little Snow White. She's looking so cute, so colorful. I love her red bow. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like her dress. It's our little Moana's turn now with her little turtle. I love her turtle. Moana is ready to have her lovely dress now. Let's get started, Moana. Moana is having an orange skirt. Her yellow top, a little shining diamond, some designs on Moana's top. Our cute little Moana is ready. She's looking so cute. I love her outfit. Do you like her, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. I love her. Wow, I like them in their new dresses. Do you like them in these Play-Doh dresses or their original ones? Please let me know. Beautiful girls.
Rapunzel, Snow White, Moana, they are already in their new dresses. Which one is your favorite, friends? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be waiting. My favorite is Moana. I love Moana's dress. She's looking so cute. Is she your favorite? I love them all. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to let me know what do you want to see next, because in this playset we have many more dolls. Look how many we've got. We've got Ariel, Anna, Elsa, loads of them. In my next video, I'll be making 3 dresses for 3 dolls. Which one do you wanna see? Do you wanna see Anna and Elsa? Please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. Subscribe. See you soon.